All right reserved. Reproduction and distribution are forbidden. No part of this publication shall be reproduced, stored in retrievable system or transmit by any other means, electronic, mechanic, photocopying, recording, or otherwise, without written permission from the publisher. The publisher is designed to provide accurate and authoritative information with regard to the subject matter covered. It is solid with the understanding that our author, the publisher, are not engaged in the rendering legal intellectual property. According to the other professional advice, if legal advice or other professional assistance is required, the service of a competent or professional should be sought. The author and distributor individually or corporately do not accept any responsibility from the liabilities resulting from the action of any parties involved. Introduction. This e-book be given you 100% work at trigger. This work at home being fit will motivate you to start your own home business and stop relying a low paying unstable job for your source of income. It will end your procrastination of starting your own home business. 1. Working from home many give you emotion for being appreciated. You can do your home business in between getting dressed. 2. Having a home income stream can make you feel accomplished. You could do work at home business in between watering the plant. 3. Start your home business might give you sense of being adaptable. You can run your job at home in between clearing the table. 4. Working in your pajama could make your experience assumed. You could promote your home-based business in between dusting the furniture. 5. Running a home-based business would give you the trait of being appreciated. You can administer your work from home in between cooking a meal. 6. Having a professional at your address should allow you the future of the being authority. You could operate your feelings from home in between putting away grocery. 7. Working for yourself shall give you the characteristics of being balanced. You can advertise your self-employed business in between taking a shower. 8. Not driving to work can give you attitude of being blessed. You could manage your home business in between washing the dishes. 9. Being business at home will allow to the benefit of being calm. You can work your home business between taking a bath. 10. Being a community affiliate from your home give you the emotion of being capable. You could handle your job at home between doing a hobby. 11. Being your own home base can make you feel cheerfully. You can do home based business during putting on makeup. 12. Working full time from home might give you sense of being clear. You could make you work from home in between eating breakfast. In running business from your could make you experience being comfortable. You can run your freelancing from home in between learning a new skill. 14. Running a business out of your living room would give you trait of being competent. You could promote your self-implied business in between unloading in the dishwasher. 15. Doing the job home should allow your future of being composite. You can administrate your home business in between enjoy in the weather. 16. Having a career at your house shall give you the characteristics of being confident. You could operate your work at home business in between moving the yard. 17. Doing work on your home computer can give you the attribute of being oriented. You can advertise your job at home in between fixing your hair. 18. Doing work from your house will allow the benefit of being courage. You could manage your home based business in between going to church. 19. Working out of your bedroom may give you the emotion of the being craft. You can make your home in between social networking. 20. Not having a repetitive schedule can make you feel creative. You could have idle your freelance from your home in between hanging up clothes. 21. Having a home-based career might give you the sensation being credible. You can do your self-employed business in between going on vacation. 22. Making money from your home phone could lead to experience discrepancies. You could make your home business in between drying the dishes. 23. Working for others at home would give you the trait of being dedicated. You can run your work at home business in between going out to dinner. 24. Doing work at your kitchen table should allow you the future of being disciplinary. You could promote your job at home in between landscaping your yard. 25. Being self-employed shall give you the characteristics of being dependable. You can administer your home-based business in between saving your face. 26. Doing a occupation for your residence can give you attribute of the being details. You could operate your work home firm in between taking classes. 27. Being a home business owner will allow you the benefit of being determined. You can advertise your freelance from your home in between cleaning your bedroom. 28. Working for yourself may give you the emotion of being devotee. You could manage your self-employed business in between playing video games. 29. Not getting dressed for work can make you feel delicate. You can work your home business in between taking care of the pets. 30. Having business startup at home might give you the sensation of being driving. You could handle your work at home business in between going to the doctor. 31. Working in the suite could make experience enjoyment. You can do your job work home between in ranking the leaves. 32. Freelance from home would give you the treat of being educated. You could make your home-based business in between putting on pajamas. 33. Having a job at home should allow you future in being efficient. You can run your work from home in between eating lunch. 34. Having a home office will give you the characteristics of being energetic. You could promote your freelance from home in between talking out the trash. 35. Making money from a residence can give you the attribute of being energy. You can administer your self-employed business in between doing homework. 36. Working on your home laptop will allow you the benefit of being edge. You could operate your home business in between visiting friends, family. 37. Being your one CEO may give you the emotion of being authenticity. You can advertise your work at home business in between washing the windows. 38. Starting the digital publish business can make you feel in entertaining. You could manage your job at home in between making the bed. 39. Working for your cottage might give you the sensation of being excited. You can work from home based business in between watching the kids. 40. Not dealing with co-worker could make you experience being exclusive. You could handle your work from home in between picking up the house. 41. Making money from home would give you the treat of being faithful. You can do your freelance from home in the between eating dinner. 42. Working part-time from home should allow you future of being focused. You could make your self-employed business in between texting someone. 43. Having a home store shall give you the characteristics of being fulfilled. You can run your home business in between saying your prayers. 44. Not having the supervisor can give you the attribute of being fun. You could promote your work at home business in between stretching. 45. Working in your shop will allow you the benefit being goal oriented. You can administer your job at home in between playing with the kids. 46. Not having a boss may give you the emotion of being grateful. You could operate your home based business in between having the conversation with someone. 47. Working from your estate can make you feel being happy. You can advertise your work from home in between celebrating a birthday. 48. Getting checks in the email might give you the sensation of being a hard worker. You could manage your freelancing from home in between vacuuming the carpet. 14. Not having a manager could make you experience hopefulness. You can work your self-employed business in between going to the bank. 50. Working out of your basement would give you the trait of being impressive. You could handle your home business in between checking your email. 51. Promoting product from home should allow you the future of being independent. You can do work at home business in between reading a managing magazine. 42. Working out of your garage shall give you the characters of being inside. You could make your job at home in between clean the appliance. 53. Providing a home-based service can give you the attribute of being inspired. You can run your home-based business in between going to college. 54. Starting a business in your garage will allow the benefit of being intelligent. You could promote your work from home in between jogging or running. 55. Sitting up home franchise may give you the emotion of being interested. You can administer your freelance from home in between picking up the kids. 56. Doing work from home coffee table can make you feel involved. You could operate your self-employed business in between cleaning the bathroom. 57. Getting wealthy at home might give you the sensation of being joy. You can advertise your home business in between celebrating a holiday. 58. Having no income limit could make you experience being liveness. You could manage your work at home business in between cleaning out refrigerator. 59. Not working overtime would give you the treat of being lucky. You can work your job at home in between doing after school activities. 60. Starting a home retail business should allow the future of being logic. You could handle your home based business in between lifting weights. 61. Not buying a office shall give you the characteristics of being manageable. You can do work from home in between talking on the phone. 62. Publishing your business from home can give you the attribute of being motivated. You can make your freelance from home between in making some coffee. 63. Working while sitting on your couch will allow a benefit to be job object. You can run your self-employed business in between cleaning the living room. 64. Not taking order from other may give you the emotion of being open-minded. You could promote your home business in between brushing your teeth. 65. Starting a business with your internet phone can make you feel being organized. You can administer your work at home business in between getting the mail. 66. Paying yourself what you deserve might give you the sensation of being optimistic. You could operate your job at home in between having the appointment. 67. Making profit from your one place could make you experience passion. You can advertise your home-based business in between organizing the clothes. 68. Getting paid at home would give you the treat of being peaceful. You could manage your work from home in between banking some food. 69. Making sales from your cell phone should allow you the future of being presenting. You can work your freelance from home in between washing the car. 70. Not having really job shall give you the characteristics of being placed. You could handle your self-employed business in between playing a game. 71. Advertising your business from home can give you the attribute for being perceptive. You can do your home business in between sleeping. 72. Starting a home-based service will allow you the benefit of being positive. You could make your work at home business in between ironing the clothes. 73. Being the business owner may give you the emotion of being prepared. You can run your job at home in between watching a movie. 74. Starting a home internet business can make you feel productivity. You could promote your home based business in between taking a nap. 75. Making money from your homestead might give you the sensation of being professional. You can administer your work from home in between watering the garden. 87. Getting order at home could make your experience being proud. You could operate your freelance from home in between doing exercise. 77. Starting a business at home your creed would give you the treat of being rejuvenate. You can advertise your self-employed business in between painting the floors. 78. Making a living at home should allow you future of being relaxed. You could manage your home business in between reading a book. 79. Earning income from where you live shall give you the characters of being reliable. You can work your home at home business in between decorating the house. 80. Creating a shop out of your house in can give you the attribute of being resourceful. You could handle job at home between having a party. 81. Writing your one paycheck will allow you the benefit of relief. You can do your home based business in between playing with your pet. 82. Working in your underwear may give you the emotion of being responsible. You could make your work from home in between voluntary of a charity. 83. Getting rich at home can make you feel satisfaction. You can run your freelancing from home in between going shopping. 84. Working from your home condo might give you the sensation of being safe. You could promote your self-employed business in between fixing the car. 85. Not having a uniform could make you experience being secure. You can administer your home business in between pulling the beads. 86. Accepting credit card from home give you the treat of being self-controlled. You could operate your work at home business in between organizing the garbage. 87. Earning cash will at your paid should allow you the future of being self-assured. You can advertise your job at home in between planning a vacation. 88. Not returning a building shall give you the characteristics of being self-aware. You could manage your home-based business in between suffering the web. 89. Working from your own desk can give you the attribute of being self-directed. You can work your home in between studying in subject. 90. Making money from your property will allow you the benefit of being self-starting. You could handle your freelance from home in between listening to music. 91. Marketing your business from home may give you the emotion of being sensible. You can do your self-employed business in between changing the car oil. 92. Being the business present can make feel skillful. You could 92. Being the business president can make you feel being skillful. You could make money or home business in between watching the TV. 93. Earning revenue from your apartment might give you the sensation of being successful. You can run your work at home business in between washing your hair. 94. Starting a home mail order business could make you experience being triumphant. You could promote your job at home in between reading to your kids. 95. Customer shopping for you home would give you the treat of being thankful. You can administer your home based business in between being romantic with someone. 96. Being a work at home professional should allow you the future of being thrilled. You could operate your work from home in between having company over. 97. Opening business from your dwelling shall give you the characteristics of being talented. You can advertise your freelance from home in between writing out the bill. 98. Making a factory out of your home can give you the attribute of being unique. You could manage your self-employed business in between getting gas. 99. Selling your knowledge from home will allow the benefit of being versatile. You can work your home business in between cleaning the outside of the house. 100. Running a home company may give you immersion of being wanted. You could handle your work at home business in between making reservation.